Hey guys, Carl from MarineMax here in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to show you the Harris 230 Cruiser. We'll walk through and see all the benefits that you get with this boat and take it from there. Let's get on aboard. Alright guys, now aboard the 230 Harris. Starting in the front seating area, you'll see a lot of space here for entertaining. 2 loungers, also can seat up to 4, probably 6 people comfortably. You'll have storage under each one of these seats. Gives you plenty of space. They are hinged, which means these cushions won't go flying off while going down the road. Great benefit there. Cup holders for each side, along with charging ports for your phone. Very nice to have. Storage underneath your helm station. Storage to the port side as well. And there are accessories to make a head area or a changing station, what have you, whatever pleases you best. All right, here at the helm, you have your Clarion entertainment to the left of the steering wheel there. Up top, you've got your tachometer, speedometer, and all your small gauges as well, showing the miles per hour here digitally. Charging ports up top for cell phones or what have you. Master power, accessories, and navigation lights to your right. All right guys, moving on from the helm here in the aft seating here. First of all, behind this lounger to the port side, a built-in garbage can. Really nice to have, small feature, but well thought out of. Seating for the entire family. Again, you got your speakers down low, great entertainment center for the entire boat. Makes it great for an island day or just a sunset cruise. Makes it really good. Here in the back, again, much more seating. Can also be used for a lounge area, sun deck, if you will, to get a good tan going. And then, of course, every seat again is going to have a huge amount of storage underneath. And in this one here, a built-in cooler. Well positioned here, so if you find the days that you are at the island, you can have some ice in there, some drinks. You don't have to get into the boat, in and out of the boat to get those beverages. And then cup holders, 3 cup holders here on the side to also accommodate you for those type of days. Ski rail down at the back here. So if you do plan on doing some water sports, you're already set up for that. And this boat is powered with a 115 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Great boat overall. And we got it here now at the MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. My name's Carl. My cell phone, 334-695-6035. Give me a call if I can help you with this boat or if anything else here interests you at all. I'll be more than willing to take care of it for you.